Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not new. I have been away for quite some time. I think it's been about 8 months since I last posted. So I'm back. It's been a bit of a whirlwind of an 8 months. We've bought a house, moved in, I've started working full time again. So during them 8 months, I kind of just stuck with my Instagram for a bit. I just found it easy. I just posted little quick snippets of videos and my TikTok as well. But I'm back to YouTube and hopefully I am back for good. So yeah, let's just head on straight into the video. So grab your beverage of choice. I've got an iced coffee with caramel syrup, I think it is. And I've got my water, stay hydrated. So as you can see down in the title, my video series that I'm going to do, so basically just a little bit of context for you, I'm going to try and post, no, I'm not going to try, I'm going to post every single Sunday. Now, I know I said I was going to post every Sunday and today isn't a Sunday, but I thought I'd post this one today and then I will carry on a Sunday. So let's just get back into the video. Also, side note, nice face you pull in there, Chelsea. And at the moment, the idea that I have for my Sunday videos is how to drama school. All the videos that I've done with my friends from RAM, or I've spoken about my RAM audition experience, have done extremely well, and that clearly shows me that these are the kinds of videos you want to see. So, like I said, the new series is going to be how to drama school. This week's video is going to be audition prep. So I've made a couple of notes of what I'd like to give you advice on, and we can kind of like go from there, have a little chat in the comments, and you can give me your experiences as well. Let's talk about it. Number one, whatever drama school you're going to go to, they're going to ask for either 2 contrasting speeches or 2 contrasting songs, depending on what school you go to. So I just checked up for RADA. They ask you for, I think they said, let me just, I've come out of it. I think it was 3 contrasting speeches, which probably will consist of a Shakespeare speech. And then they also want an unaccompanied. Now, I think I'm saying it wrong. I think they said accompanied, but just double check on the website before you audition. And they only want the verse and chorus. So if you're not a strong singer, just find a song that you enjoy singing, that is within your range, and you will feel comfortable doing that. My experience auditioning for RAM, they asked for 3 contrasting songs. So your 2 songs that you will take and a backup. So when I auditioned, I think I explained in my audition experience video that I auditioned with, my brother lived in San Francisco, I Can Cook To Reprise, and Beautiful from It Should Have Been You. And the other 2 are from Elegies and On the Town. So I chose them songs because they were 3 completely different songs. My Brother Lived was a more of a ballad, and more of like a tearjerker, and that's what I enjoy to sing. I don't know why, I just love singing tear-jerking songs. And then I Can Cook To is a completely different character. She's like this big boisterous character, and she likes to dominate men. She likes to dominate the world, really. I enjoy singing them. I knew they were within my range. I can't speak. And then my backup song was, like I said, Beautiful. And that was just more of a, I can connect to that completely. It's about a bigger girl, and everyone keeps saying, oh, it should have been you that got married first. It should have been you that got the partner and have the kids and this, that, and the other. And everyone always picks on her for her weight. And me growing up as a bigger girl, I was picked on for my weight. But anyway, don't want to go into that. So that's why I chose them 3 songs. So I would definitely choose 3 songs that you are comfortable singing, you really enjoy singing, are within your range, and are completely 3 different contrasting songs. If you need any help at all, just message me down below and I will ask you kind of like what your range is, or what kind of songs that you like to sing, and then I can find some contrasting ones for you. Another point I'd like to, or advice I'd like to give you, is actually take a rep book of 5 to 6 songs that you are solid on singing. Because if you walk into that audition room and you go, oh, I'm going to sing She Used to Be Mine from Waitress, and they go, oh, we've heard like 10 people sing that today, have you got something else? You would then go to your backup, your other backup, and then your other backup, if that makes sense. You kind of like circle them around, if that makes any sense at all. I'm sorry, I can't explain things properly, or I can't speak sometimes. It's mum brain. Number 2 is take 3 contrasting monologues. Now, I wish I did this. That's why I'm kind of advising you to do it, because I went with a monologue from a film. I went through loads of different monologues, and this was one that previous to RAM, I actually went to the Masters, Performing Arts College, and when I auditioned there, I used this monologue, and I knew it like the back of my hand. It was from Stardust, which is one of my favourite films. I wanted to walk into the room feeling comfortable and feeling ready for that audition, so that's why I went with that monologue. I kind of wish that I went for something a bit different. Always have a Shakespeare monologue under your belt, because that's something that I wish I did as well, just in case. That's more for straight acting than it is for drama school, but some drama schools do. I think maybe Mountview might ask for that, I'm not sure. Number 3, obviously I'm really sorry if my camera is shaking. You're on like a roll of tissue. My son's books, his jelly bath box, and then his crayons are sitting behind my phone. So yeah, I'm sorry if you're all like jiggly. So number 3, dance solo. Obviously everything at the moment is on Zoom, so your auditions will be on Zoom. My experience was we actually didn't have a dance audition. All we did was singing, acting, you get in, and then on our first week we did a dance class. The whole year did a dance class together, and then they split you into 3 groups, top, middle, bottom. That was my experience anyway. So my advice to you is regardless if they've asked you for it, choose a dance genre that you are strong in and tape or record a dance solo, just in case, just as a backup, because you just never know. Especially in these times, you don't know what they're going to ask for. So that's something that I would suggest. If it were me, I would go with the tap solo, because I know that's my strength, or some kind of like musical theatre jazz number. So yeah, so definitely go with a dance solo. Point 4 was self-tape all songs, all monologues, all dances. Have a backup. Again, you don't know what they're going to do, what they're going to ask for. If they go, listen, we can't do our Zoom auditions at the moment, we just want self-tapes and we want it by tomorrow, and then you're going to be like, crap, I've got 1 day to get this all recorded and sent in, and you want to take time on it. So once you have tackled a song and you think, yeah, I feel comfortable with that now, record it, save it. Again with your dance, again with your monologues. And also it's great to look back and watch yourself. That's why I like doing YouTube videos, because I can watch myself and see how awkward I am. So yeah, definitely do that, because I think it's a learning process. You can learn what to work on, what to hold back on. I know I'm quite expressive in my face. So yeah, definitely do that, because I think that would be a great learning process for you. Part 5. Audition outfits. So you want your audition outfit to stand out, complement your skin tone, also complement your background. So for instance, I've got this like beige background. If I was going to do a self-tape in front of this, I definitely would not, or even an audition, a Zoom audition in front of this, I would not wear nude, pink, or any kind of like pastel colour, especially like yellow, nude, pinks, white, that kind of thing. You need comfort. So wear something comfortable. I mean, at the bottom of this dress, I'm wearing pajama bottoms. Comfort. Also something that you like, relevant to your age and what your like playing age would be. For me, I would go for like ensemble and understudy of Madame Morrible, Madame Thénardier, Mrs. Lovett, that kind of thing. Definitely stick to clothing that is relevant to your age, relevant to the songs that you're singing or the monologues. So sometimes going for like all black is quite nice with a pop of colour, because then the panel can also see past your clothing, if that makes sense. I know that's quite contradictory, but definitely just think of the situation that you're going into. A dance outfit, you want bright, something that suits you, comfortable. You don't want to be wearing a leotard and tights that you're really uncomfortable in, that's like a size too small. Do you know what? Just embrace it. I mean, I embrace it. I always used to have to go to Block and get the biggest size, because Block was always the best brand for me, because I've got smaller top half and I've got bigger like hips. So yeah, Block was great for me. I would go for like bright colours. When I auditioned for Masters, I think I had like a bright purple leotard and tight, not the tights, but just the leotard. And again, contrast to your background. Don't go for any muted colours. Go for bright, in your face, that suits your skin tone. Definitely go for a really bright colour. Also, sorry, going back to your contrasting songs, make sure you have cut your music, you have taped it correctly. If you want me to do a video on how to tape sheet music, I'm more than happy to do that. And I've also got like little tips and tricks on sort of like thanking the pianist without actually standing there and be like, oh my God, thank you so much. And being too in your face, and because sometimes it comes across a bit fake. So yeah, I'm more than happy to do that for you if you would like me to. So just again, like the video and comment and just let me know whether you want me to do that. So I think that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed and you learned from this video. I really enjoy giving advice and tips on how to get into drama school. Next week's video, I'm going to do a scholarship and funding edition of this series. So yeah, definitely watch out for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I post. And I hope you have a beautiful week. I love you all loads, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.